Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add people to your render with Nano Banana. So let's open our Nano Banana, our Gemini. So you can go to gemini.google.com, or you can just search Gemini AI or something like that. So when you search, you click on it and you log in. If you don't have your account, you log in, and that's just it. So you have this, and really we are not going to do much here because I don't like to work on this interface except for maybe some charts. So what I want to show you here is you can upgrade, and when you want to upgrade, there are three different types of upgrade that you can do. So so you have this Google AI Plus. So what it does is you can get next level access to our most capable Model 3 Pro and all that. Then I told someone yesterday that he can't get Flow, but his Flow is actually there. Our AI filmmaking tool to create cinematic scenes and stories, including limited access to VO3 and all that. So this, you have it. You have 200 monthly AI credits. Now, what that means is, for example, when you are generating videos, each video generation with VO3.1 actually is 20 credits, 20 AI credits. That means you can only generate 10 videos, with this amount. So I'm a Nigerian, so you see that it's showing it in Nigerian currency. So if you use Google AI Pro, which is actually the one that I'm going to be using here, you get access to 1,000 monthly AI credits. So the AI credits give you access to 25 videos. 25 videos, yeah. No, 50 videos, because this is 10, this is 1,050. So you have access to generate 50 videos. Each video definitely is 8 seconds long. So if you want to create 1 minute animation, so that's 60 seconds make 1 minute. So if you divide it by 8 seconds, that means you need minimum of 12 videos. And because AI will make mistake, you will generate a video that will not be okay for you. You will need to regenerate. So definitely you might, for 1 minute animation, maybe you will need about 20 videos or thereabouts. So definitely this is the one that will pay you. So it might not be up to 20 sometimes. It depends on how quickly you are able to prompt the AI to give you what you want. And for the first month, it is free. And that's why I want to use it. For the first month, it is free. And after that, you pay 28,500, equivalent of, let's just say 30,000 naira. And monthly, you are going to get 1,000 credits. And if you exhaust your credits, you can buy more credits still in this plan. It just means that, I'm on this plan, but I've exhausted my AI credits. Then you can buy much more credits. I think you can pay about 35,000 naira or thereabouts to get another 2,000 credits, 2,000 monthly AI credits. But that particular credit can roll over to your next subscription. So you have another 1,000, then what is remaining, your credit will roll over to it. So that's what it means. So in this place, I'm going to just click and agree on the Google AI Pro. And the advantage also is that you can cancel if after you use 1,000 credits, you don't want to continue with it. So you can cancel at any time. in subscription on Google Play. So you can do that. You won't be charged if you cancel before 26th. Today is 26th, so of February 2026. So you are free. It's a 1 month trial. So now I can click subscribe. Now my own is easy because my card is already registered with Google, so it just detected my card automatically. But yours, you will need to actually put your card there. So now I have access to all these 5x more audio overviews and sources, or all this. Now what I'm going to do is, when I do this, I'll go to Flow, Google Flow, or Flow AI or something. So Google Flow is this. I'm going to choose it, and this is where I prefer to be working. So I'll just, now it has seen my, okay, let me just choose create with Flow, and definitely it will, yeah, create with Flow. Yeah, so it brings me here. So I'll need to read this. Now I'm here. So what Flow is for is, it has Nano Banana View to generate images, and also to create videos. So now what I'm going to do is I'll click new project. I'm going to show you how it works. You can see that I have my pro plan here. You can see I have 1000 AI credits. So we have videos, we have images. So for videos, you have View 3.1. For images, you have Nano Banana. You can see we have Nano Banana here. For images, you see View. Now we have other models. You can see the model we are using is View, but there is other ones. You know, each of them, this, for example, if I choose this, it will take 100 credits. It is much more, almost much more accurate, but I don't see, personally, I don't see any difference. So you have the other ones, View 2, which means that if you do not have audio, it will still be okay. This is 10 credits. So this other one is 100 credits too. So this is 10 credits. This is 20 credits. This is 100 credits. This is 100 credits. So let's stay on the 20 credits. You can try any other ones by yourself. So I'm on this, but I'm not generating video now. I'm generating image. You can see here, if you come here, you have Nano Banana, you have Nano Banana Pro, which is what we are using. You have normal Nano Banana, and you have Imaging 4. None of them, you are not going to spend any credit on image generation. Each generation uses 0 credits based on your current setting. So now what I want to do is, I want to tell it, I have this render. Let me get it out here. Okay, I'm coming, please. I have this render. You can see, and what I want to do is, this render is good, but I want to add people to it, and I don't want to be guessing. I want to do nice work, simple and neat. So the first thing I'm going to do is, where is this building located? Who are the people that I'm going to present these images to? They are Nigerians. So it's in Nigeria. So what I'm going to do is, I'll say create or generate image of a middle-aged Nigerian upper middle class couple. Now, as I'm typing this, I'm thinking because your prompt depends on how you can word everything very well. So create character image. Now, instead of just image, I said character image of a middle-aged Nigerian upper middle class couple. Just like that. Let's see what it's going to give us. So now, because this was created by Google, it will automatically try to find, okay, an average Nigerian couple, this is the way they look. So it's going to give you the image that is similar to that. And this is what we have. You can see. And you can see that it's even try to put, them in context that we didn't even tell it. And it's cool. It's nice. So if this is okay for you, fine. If it's not okay, if you have what to add, you can select the image and tell it to add something or remove something. So you can also reuse the prompt and go again. So now, when you are using the prompt, you can choose the number of images you want. You can choose the aspect ratio, either landscape or portrait. So we have all that. So you can see different ones. This it doesn't make sense to me anyway. So now what I need basically is their faces and all that. So I have it, so I can download. When you want to download, you have option for 1K or 2K. If you want to get 4K, you will need to upgrade again to plus. Remember that the plus is 179,000 for a start for 3 months. Then you'll be paying 359,000 because you are going to get 25,000 monthly AI credits. I don't think you need that for now. Okay, okay? Now let's go back. We are cool with this, so I downloaded 2K. I don't know if I've downloaded it. And the next thing you are going to do is to upload. So you click here, you can upload images and click I agree. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the place where I have my image. Remember, this is it. So I have it here. Upload it, crop it as a landscape. So I'm going to upload the second image, which is the couple that I just generated, which is this. So I'm going to upload it as well. Now I'll say use the couple in pic 2. Add the couple. I think that's what will make sense. Add the couple in pic 2 to pic 1. A very relaxing mood with home clothings. So now the story is that, okay, this is a sitting room and they are watching TV. So definitely you are not going to be seeing them in suits. You are not going to be seeing them in the clothes they will be wearing outside. So apparently I'm going to add in a clothing watching TV. So now I'm not putting more than this. It's a very, very simple thing. All these background images and all that are not needed. Of course, it's this one that I'm using. So let's just see the way it's going to look. So while that one is generating, I can actually change this to 2 and generate again. So I will have 3 results. So let's see how they look. So you can see how easy it is for them. Look at this. Look at how the screen, the TV screen change like this. Now, to me, I'll look at it very well. Depends on the story you are trying to tell. Now, this is very, very important in architectural visualization. You are not going to just do anything anyhow. For example, I'm okay with this, but there are some things that I didn't add that I'm seeing there, like this candlelight here. So what I can do is I can take it, download it, take it to Photoshop and brush these people over. Definitely everything is okay. So now this story is relaxation mode. Very relaxed, a kind of romantic atmosphere. This one is different, even though it's romantic, but the clothing is already totally telling another story. Same thing with this. So you are the one that knows what fits into your storytelling, but I'm just here to show you simple way of getting things done. Now, I created another one, for friends and friends. This one I generated this image and similar prompt. I just put it and you can see them. So you can create a toilet, a bedroom, tell AI to generate a woman in the bedroom for you. Take that woman to the AI again, then the AI should put the person into the bedroom. It will do it seamlessly. Thank you.